How often should you replace your HVAC air filter? You should replace your standard air filter every 30 to 90 days, with most homes doing best around the 60-day mark. Think of your air filter like a tiny screen door that catches dust, pet hair, and other tiny particles before they get sucked into your heating and cooling system. When that screen gets clogged up with too much gunk, your system has to work way harder to push air through it, kind of like trying to breathe through a thick blanket. This makes your energy bills go up and puts extra stress on the motor inside your unit. Something a lot of people do not know is that a dirty filter does not just waste energy, it can actually cause ice to build up on the cooling coils, which can lead to a much bigger and more expensive repair. Another lesser known fact is that filters are rated using something called a MERV rating, which stands for Minimum Efficiency Reporting Value, and a higher number means it catches smaller particles, but too high of a rating on an older system can actually restrict airflow and hurt your unit. A good habit is to write the date on the filter itself with a marker every time you swap it out, so you always know exactly when the next change is due. One common mistake is assuming that if a filter looks clean on one side, it is fine, when really dust builds up unevenly and the true condition is often hidden inside the folds, so it is smart to just stick to your calendar schedule instead of judging it by eye. Another big misconception is that a more expensive or thicker filter is always better, but if it is not the right size or MERV rating for your specific system, it can actually reduce airflow and shorten the life of your unit, so always check your owner's manual first. A lot of homeowners also forget that homes with pets or with people who have allergies usually need filter changes closer to every 30 days instead of waiting the full 90, so pay attention to how quickly your filter gets dirty and adjust from there. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.